Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing the Raiders of Sulusi. This focuses on Zamboanga City and the historical conflict between sultanates and European colonizers during the Spanish era in the Philippines. At first, the defense in Zamboanga, highlight of Port Pilar, a Spain-less stronghold in south. Built to protect Zamboanga from invasions, it served as both military defense and economic expansion center. The Spaniards saw the region as a crucial part of their colonial network, aiming to control trade and spread Christianity. Second of all, the role of Southeast Asia free trade. Before European intervention, the Sulu and Maguindanao sultanates thrived through free trading. Local merchants engaged in commerce with neighboring countries, creating prosperous economy. However, the arrival of English, Dutch, and Spanish disrupt this balance as their foreign powers sought dominance over trade and resources. And the third, the slave raiders' retaliation. One of the most striking aspects of defection of slave raiders, this group composed mainly of Moro warriors saw riding as means of survival and resistance. The raid were not merely acts of aggression but response to colonization and oppression, a way to defend their land and the way of life. And fourth, the bloody battle for Port Pilar. The recounts the fierce battle led by Raja Dalasi of Maguindanao against the Port Pilar. This battle exemplified the determination of Muslim sultanates to reclaim their territories from the Spanish control. The intense conflict highlighted the ongoing struggle for sovereignty in the region. At last, Raiders of Sulusi sheds light on significant yet often overlooked part of Philippine history. It reminds us of resilience of indigenous people and the complexity of colonial influence in Mindanao. This is essential viewing for those who wish to understand the deep historical root of resistance and trade in the southern Philippines. Thank you.